To create a poll on Instagram Story, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the Story section. Tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to begin creating a new story. Next, take a photo or video for your story, or select one from your gallery. You can also use the text or drawing tools to create a simple story background. After setting up your story background, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen, which looks like a square with a face. This will open the sticker menu, where you can browse through various options. Scroll down and select the poll sticker, which says poll. Tap on it to add the poll sticker to your story. Now, type in the question you want to ask in the poll, and add the 2 possible answers. You can customize the poll question and answers to fit your needs. You can also add more options to the poll by tapping the Add Option button. However, keep in mind that you are limited to 2 options for the basic poll sticker. If you want to add more options or create a quiz, you can use the quiz sticker instead. Once you have set up your poll, tap the Done button to save it. You can then resize the poll sticker and move it around on the story to position it as desired. Finally, tap the Send to button to share your story with your followers. As people vote in your poll, you will be able to see the results in real time. Remember to keep your poll question clear and concise, and make sure the options are easy to understand. This will help increase engagement and get more accurate results from your poll. By following these steps, you can create a poll on Instagram Story and gather feedback from your followers in a fun and interactive way.